If you understand English but still feel nervous when you speak, you're not alone. Many people feel the same way, same like that you. Hi everyone, I'm Abhay. You can call me Abby. This is my teaching name. And I'm from Uttar Pradesh, India, but I live in Kerala. This is a South Indian state. And I teach English from here as a tutor. So this channel created for beginners, for professional, for every kind of English learners who want to speak English fluently, naturally, and confidently. Most learners don't have a problem with grammar, with vocabulary. They have a problem with using English in real life practicing. On this channel, we use simple words, simple sentence, real life situations, real life activities, and useful grammar, useful phrases, useful words. We focus on real life practice, real life activities in daily routines, daily life activities. This channel is for all types of communication English learners who want to speak English fluently, naturally, like a native speakers. I just want to tell you, you start English first and you see your result, how you improve step by step. It's not going to disappoint you in English, and if you try, if you speak regularly, whatever, any moment, any words, any sentence you try, if you try, definitely you will be fluent. That day will come. In my opinion, on this channel, I will share my experience about English, how to enhance your English skills, because most of English learners, they don't want to be perfect, but they want to be fluent in English. Believe me, English is just language, like your native language you speak every day, same like that. You need to start first, you need to speak regularly. Definitely you will speak fluently. Just believe in yourself and try. Continue. Never give up, never stop. Just practice. I want to tell you, you don't need to fear, scare about English. You can start from here and speak first and see your result. If you are ready, then let's start this journey with me and improve your fluency. So, if you really want to speak English fluently and naturally, you can subscribe my channel for daily practice.